How to create garlic butter in 2022 step by step. Garlic butter ingredients. You'll need just a few simple ingredients to make creamy homemade garlic butter. Number 1. Butter. Using unsalted butter allows you to adjust the saltiness of the garlic's butter to your tastes. Feel free to use salted butter too. Number 2. Garlic. Fresh minced garlic brings a punch of garlic flavor. I used 3 medium cloves of fresh garlic. Number 3. Fresh parsley and thyme. Fresh herbs are an easy way to boost the flavor of just about anything, garlic butter included. I love using parsley and thyme, but other herbs would be delicious as well. Try fresh rosemary, oregano, basil or chives. Number 4. Salt. A pinch or 2 of salt brings all of the flavors together. Use whatever salt you have on hand, sea salt, coarse kosher salt or table salt. Recipe variations. Garlic parmesan butter. Stir in 1/4 cup of grated parmesan cheese. This variation makes the best garlic bread. Roasted garlic's butter. You can use a few cloves of mashed roasted garlic instead of raw fresh garlic if the flavor of raw fresh garlic is too strong for you. Italian seasoning. If you don't have any fresh herbs on hand, 1 teaspoon dried Italian seasoning can be used instead. How to make garlic's butter. Making garlic's butter couldn't be easier. Soften the butter. Let the butter sit at room temperature until it is very soft. Using softened butter makes it easy to stir in the other ingredients. Stir in the minced garlic. Add the fresh herbs and a pinch of salt. Stir to combine. Taste and add more salt, if needed. Then enjoy. Thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.